Hi guys, in previous video in the numbering system of YouTube, you'll see that I've installed Nemesis repo, and this is what Nemesis repo contains. SL is the switch for Pacman, and then you know what's on the Nemesis repo. Basically, it's all grub things and icons. All the rest has been removed. And what we're gonna do in this video is a grub. We are on grub. That's good, that's convenient. So if you type boot, you get the information. Grub is being used, and there's an extra check, grub. So that's correct. The look at the moment is its default look, and that's this one. That's grub. This can be changed. So at some point in time, I made tutorials about grub and how to make themes and all that, and as a result we got a lot of these things, right? For instance, we need them as well on ALCI, another project of ours, and so on. So if you want to test these out, we have, for instance, the Edu Eraser grub theme there. Or if you have an Asus motherboard, that's pretty clear, that's gonna be something with Asus. So you say, okay, cool, I'll try it out. You install this thing, and then let's have a look. Let's see if the images, so we got a new theme here, themes Asus. It's not going to be by default, so it still needs your extra attention, I think. Best way to do that is to go and check. What should we check? We should check etc default grub. Now that's a long way, so Ctrl-Alt-T and grub. Okay, so in here we have also the information, and it was changed. Cool. So we don't need to do anything, but maybe tell them that it was updated. Is it up to date? I don't think so. So I think we need to do an update grub, but to know for sure if it's necessary or not, let's just reboot. It's not necessary. Everything is set already. So this is my new grub theme. So that's easy, it's automated. Once you install it, it's already okay. I'll try another one. I wanted to see the Ubuntu one as well. Would be fun to have an Ubuntu greeting and being on Arch. So Edu, I saw Ubuntu grub theme, right? And let's have a look. Yeah, there he is. Generating grub configuration files, right? It's already set. Okay. Remember, this is always a virtual machine. It looks better, bigger on a large monitor. One more, just for the heck of it. Sudo pacman -s edu Eevee. I don't know what Eevee. I developed it, I don't know how it looks anymore. So, voila. I'm thinking about Wally, Eve, but it's probably something else. Just plain, simple, nothing there, just this. Right? So, options. There are many tutorials. As you know, 4,000 plus tutorials on ArcoLinux. We have made tutorials about how to make packages like these. So if you're an ISO builder, you want to create your own distro, maybe you'd like to have your own personal grub greeting system, like so many do. So enjoy the learning, enjoy the fun. Remember, watch the previous video, because we've shown you there that the ArcoLinux tweak tool, there's a very easy way to add, let's go for it, very easy way to add the Nemesis repo, and then you install whatever icons you want or install whatever grub theme you want, and it's just by clicking a button here. enable Nemesis repo. All right, cheers.